What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So based on the title, you know exactly what your girl will be making. But before we jump into this video, guys, just give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, turn the post notification on so you never miss any of my upload, and leave me a comment down in the comment section telling me what you think about this recipe and if you would try. Guys, I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, and I couldn't have done it without you. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, and thanks for being here. So here I have a chicken breast that is washed and cleaned. And here I have an all-purpose rub. Now guys, you could do any all-purpose of choice. Now this is my personal all-purpose rub that I've created. So just get your favorite all-purpose season and get into that chicken. Now guys, you want to massage the seasoning into the chicken. You're creating like a crust. So you want to just pile it on. Because remember, this is a thick piece of chicken breast and you want the seasoning to go all the way through and flavor it. Now guys, after we're done with this, we're going to allow it to sit for about 2 hours. And guys, the longer it sits, the better it gets. So if you want to do this overnight and have it in your freezer or your fridge bottom, no problem, you could go ahead and do so. And guys, always remember to wash your hands properly after dealing with raw chicken. Now to this, I'm going to add some clarified butter. Guys, this clarified butter is homemade. I will leave the link on screen and down in the description box so you could go ahead and check it out and see how to make your own homemade clarified butter. Now I'm going to put my chicken breast in and I'm going to sear this until we get a nice golden crust. So this is going to take a maximum of 14 minutes to cook. 7 on one and 7 on the other. Guys, unfortunately my camera was off when I was flipping this chicken breast. But guys, as I said before, you want to cook this for 7 minutes on one side and 7 minutes on the other side, or until it's cooked fully. Now we're going to remove our chicken breast from the heat, and we're going to allow this to sit and rest, because if we cut into this right now, all the juices will just flow out and you'll end up with a dry chicken breast. So you want to allow this to just sit and just do this thing for a little bit. Allow all the juices to come together in the meat. Now guys, onto our pasta. Here I have some boiling water. To this I'm going to add some salt. And for this step, guys, you could use any pasta of choice. I choose to go in with the penne rigata. You could use any other pasta of choice, and I'm going to go with about 3/4 of this box. But you could go in with any pasta of choice and make sure to follow the direction on how to cook your pasta so you don't overcook your pasta. Now that my pasta is almost cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and add my frozen mixed veggies so they can thaw out a bit. It's not going to overcook. The pasta is basically cooked, so I'm just warming the veggies through. And guys, remember to reserve a bit of your pasta water to help your sauce later on. So here I'm draining my pasta on this. allow it to, you know, cool down a little bit. Now that our chicken breast has been rested, we're gonna cut this up into small pieces to add to our pasta. And look at that, guys, nice and juicy. If I'd cut this earlier, it would be so dry and taste like we're eating paper, guys. Now to my other pot, I'm gonna go in again with some more of my clarified butter. And guys, I will link the full measurement and ingredients down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. So here I have some bell peppers, green, red, yellow, and my onions. I'm just going to saute this for a little bit. I'm going to go in with some mushrooms. And at this point, guys, you could add more seasoning if you like, but my chicken is well seasoned. The pasta was boiled in salted water, and the other things I'm going to add adds a little bit of saltiness, so I don't want to add too much salt to this. So I'm just going to go in right now with my coconut cream. And I'm just going to rinse that cup out with some of my pasta water that I told you I reserved earlier. So I'm just going to switch it around a little bit and pour it in and give this a mix. Now I'm going to go in with my nutritional yeast. Now the nutritional yeast, it has protein in it and it gives that cheesy flavor without the dairy. So you could go ahead and use as much or as little as you like. Personally, I love this thing. Now I'm going to go in with my pasta. I'm going to mix to coat the pasta properly to get all that good sauce all over it. Now I'm going to go in with some fresh spinach. Guys, spinach wilts so quickly and melts as if there's nothing in it. So you could add it at this point and just fold it in and allow the heat from the pasta to wilt it. And to that I'm going to go in with some vegan mozzarella cheese. This part is optional, guys, but you can give it a try. It gives a nicer, richer, creamier texture to our sauce and our pasta. And of course, guys, you could go in with regular cheese if you like. Now I'm going to go in with my chicken. I'm just going to stir this in. And at this point, guys, you could taste if you need a little bit more salt or whatever else you need to, amp up that flavor. I did went in and add some black pepper off camera because I thought the camera was rolling, guys, but apparently it wasn't. So yes, I added some black pepper. And now I'm going to go in with some cherry tomatoes. Like, guys, these cherry tomatoes add a burst of juiciness to this pasta, guys. It's optional, but I do recommend it. And it takes home that prettiness. Look at all those colors, the Rastaness. If that's such a word, guys, you bring home the Rasta pasta. Because yes, guys, the Rasta color has red, green, and gold. Yeah, guys. And to that, I'm gonna add a bit of fresh basil. Give it another mix, and the pasta is basically ready, guys. Look at it, nice and creamy. And trust me, guys, this was delicious. Now, guys, I'm just gonna show you how I serve up my delicious pasta. Now, guys, at this point our food is ready to eat. If you enjoy this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more amazing recipe like this, hit that subscription button and turn the post notification on. And leave a comment in the comment section and telling me what you think about this recipe. If you like and try this recipe, just tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and let me see how it turns out. Until then, guys, stay blessed and I'll see you in another one.